Hello everyone, this is Defense Politics Asia, and it has finally happened. The rumors that have been surrounding Zaluzhny, the commander-in-chief of the Ukrainian armed forces, has turned out to be true. He has been sacked, or actually a leadership renewal, according to Zelenskyy. So this is Zelensky's X or Twitter account, and he posted around this is 12 a.m. Singapore time. Singapore time right now is 4:30 a.m. ish. So is around 4 hours ago. This is the breaking news. Zelenskyy has announced that he has met with Valery Zaluzhny, and he had thanked him for defending Ukraine for 2 years. And he said that the Ukrainian armed forces need a renewal of leadership right in the middle of a war. So, and he discussed that with him who can be part of this renewal, this renewed leadership. Basically, asking him, who should replace him. Which I doubt this is the case. Definitely, this is just courteous words. And he said that the time for a renewal is right now in the middle of a Russian offensive. And he proposed to Zaluzhny to remain part of the team, which I'm very sure that Zaluzhny will say maybe. And they will definitely win, of course. So Slava Ukraini. So glory to Ukraine. And this is the breaking news, or rather broken news, if depending on what's the time frame for breaking. I actually do not know. The moment is break is now broken. So anyway, the and this is actually interesting because Zaluzhny's own account, which is the official commander-in-chief of Armed Forces Ukraine, his official account, the last post is actually on the January of 2nd, the 2nd of January, and we haven't seen any of this posting for the past month, past month plus, and this is why there was all these rumors and all this rumors swirling around, and then leaks came out here and there about attempts to remove him. And of course Zaluzhny, I think on his own personal account or somewhere, posted a photo with allegedly right sector members, and with the banderas image at the background and whatnot, looking like as if he's threatening Zelenskyy and whatnot. And anyway, regardless it is, he's now sacked. And he, according to the information I see on X or Twitter, the replacement is Syrsky. Syrsky is the commander of all land forces in Ukraine. Basically, the second most powerful person in the Ukrainian military, which makes sense that he will be the replacement. And in fact, he is actually very, very visible within the Ukrainian propaganda or information released by the Ukrainian military, because he's the armed forces or land forces, the land forces commander. So when you follow the Ukrainian military, and most of the Ukrainian military is just the land force, he is very, very prominent. And I had been noticed this prominence of Syrsky in their media over the past year. He has been very, very visible, and I have been thinking, why is he so much more visible than Zaluzhny? And now we got the answer, because I think Syrsky is much more favored over Zaluzhny, and we finally see this happen. And this is Syrsky. In case you don't know, this is Syrsky, and Oleksandr Syrsky. He's the like I mentioned, commander of the land forces. However, according to Victop55, there is some controversy. So Oleksandr Syrsky apparently is born in Russia, in the Vladimir region, graduated in the Moscow Higher Combined Arms Command School. And then and the parents and the brother currently still lives in Russia, which is a shock. And his father is actually a retired colonel of the Russian armed forces. This level of conflict of interest would never fly in any other country. He wouldn't have gotten the job, or even maintain the role that he's getting, if this is the case in any other country, because this conflict of interest will mirror his judgment. And and it will put his professionalism or his objectivity into question. And however, Ukraine seems to be perfectly fine that their top commander right now, which is now replacing Zaluzhny, actually have his brother and father and mother all living in Russia. And the father, it was actually a former colonel of the Russian military. So this is funny and very, very awkward, very, very unusual. So anyway, I will leave you to imagine how things will unfold, and I'll see you guys in the next update.